Hello, Tanya here, welcoming you to myslope.com, and I'm going to give you an overview of what we do and who we are. So we create custom sewing patterns and blocks made to measure to your measurements for stretch fabric in seconds. That's right, it is custom to you. You are the measurement. Primarily, we cater to movers, shakers, and anyone in between. So if you're creating custom dance costumes, gymnastic costumes, figure skating costumes, you are in the right place. Or if you want to create something for yourself or for the beach or for a friend, you're also in the right place. We are creating custom sewing patterns made for you. Let's hop into a quick demo so I can show you what we actually do and how the tool works. The most frequently asked question is, does this work for kids? Yes, it does. As long as we have their measurements, what you put in is what you get out. And also, if you don't have their measurements, you can use our measurement size tables, or you can mix and match the measurement size tables and make some customization to the measurement size tables with your custom measurements. So everything you put in is what you get out. You are the size. You are the primary designer creating your vision and bringing it to life, and you know when you're going to sew it up that it's going to fit you perfectly. So no pattern hacking required, no guesswork, no alterations. It's really you're going to sew up your mock piece and it's going to fit with minor adjustments. So let's hop in quick to a demo. So you can use custom measurement profiles. So I have a bunch of profiles loaded up already. It preloads the form, or if I want to, I could use our ASTM size table. So we have Missy Curvy, Missy Straight, and we have our girls 2 to 20 size tables. So if you're missing some measurements or you don't want to draft completely custom, you can also make use of those. So we're going to use a size table. I'm going to show you how that you can load up your measurements and then make little adjustments as you go. So I have a waist of 71. I'm a little bit on the shorter side, so my naked waist is 37, and my bust is definitely not a 92. It's an 82. I'm gonna leave all of my pattern options as optional, and then I'm gonna add in my seam allowance. I'm gonna do binding, so I'm gonna put 0 for the arm, neck, and whole seam allowance, and then I'm gonna add in my level of negative ease. So this is how much the fabric stretches from rest and how compressed I want the garment on my body. Do I want it to be more compression garment? Do I want it to be a little less and have a little bit more freedom? So that's what that measurement is. And if we want to hack this to work with a woven, we would just put a little negative there. Don't tell anyone that I'm telling you how to hack it. And then I'm gonna submit my measurements, and then out pops a custom pattern made for me to me in 30 seconds. So yeah, this is what MySlope is. If you have any questions and you want to learn more about MySlope, there's a little chat down below, or you can send us a quick email, and I'll be happy to answer all your questions. And I look forward to seeing what you make. But before I hop off, let me just show you the pattern library and everything that we have to offer here at MySlope. So we have a circle skirt tool, A-line skirt tool, open back Leo, collar pattern for those mock necks, strapless convertible bottoms, the bandeau pattern, open, like there's so much to choose from. Your costuming dreams just came true today, because you can make custom costumes without ever having to worry about pattern hacking and getting it perfect for your clients on the first go or the second go with minor alterations. Yes, so hop into that chat if you have any other questions, or just hop into the pattern block shop and let's get rolling. Let's get drafting. All right, I look forward to seeing what you make.